reception, it's Miss Denmeade here for week 4 of maths. I hope you're looking forward to it and you've got your counting brains in action. As part of Mr. Murphy's active challenge, I went out on a run the other day and set you up a cardio counting challenge for you to take part in. So that's coming up first to get your brains working, and then we're going to move into doing some PartWhole models. I hope you enjoy it.
Cardio counting challenge number 1. How many curved window panes can you notice on this building that I ran past? Cardio counting challenge number 2. This one was tiring. How many steps did I have to run up? Cardio counting challenge number 3. You'll need your shape skills. How many rectangle shaped drains can you count? Cardio counting challenge number 4. I was inspired by all of your rainbows. How many did I see on my run? Cardio counting challenge number 5. How many beautiful buttercups can you see hiding in the grass? Well done for completing the cardio counting challenge. I hope you had lots of fun. Now it's time for some PartWhole models. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a bit of work on PartWhole models. Now, hopefully you'll all remember when we did this before at school. At school we obviously use whiteboards, but I had a little hunt around at home and I found some things I can use at home to make a giant PartWhole model. So I've got 3 plates, some dried pasta and some post-it notes and a pen. So pause me now and go off and find those things, and then you can join in with me making PartWhole models. Okay, excellent. So the idea of PartWhole models is that on this top plate we show the whole amount. So I'm going to put my whole amount on the top plate. You can count for me because you're super counters. Pasta rolls, that's important to remember. Okay, so I've got my whole amount on my top plate. Now hopefully your super counting skills helped you and you got this number for my whole amount. So I've got 6 is my whole amount. Now on these bottom plates, it shows me the parts that I can use to make my whole amount. That's why it's called a PartWhole model. When you get older, we call this partitioning. So we split our number into different parts. Okay, so I'm going to look at ways that I can split my whole number, 6, into 2 parts. So I'm going to start by taking 1, 2, 3 pieces of my pasta and putting it in this part. And that will leave me 1, 2, 3 pieces of my pasta to put in this part. Okay, so now if you have a look, I've still got my whole number was 6, but I've split it into 2 parts. So I've got 3, add 3, which equals 6. So have a look at that. 3 add 3 equals, oh, this one's a bit bendy. 3 add 3 equals 6. But what's really clever and what we can explore with our PartWhole models is that most numbers can be split into parts in more than one way. So I'm putting my 6 pieces of pasta back onto my whole plate. So they're back being a whole number again, sticking with 6. Get rid of these. Okay. And now I'm going to use my PartWhole model to explore how I can make different parts from 6. So this time I'm going to take these 2 pieces of pasta and put them on here in one part, and that will leave me with 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of pasta to put on this part of my PartWhole model. So now I started with 6, that was my hole, and I've split it into 2 parts. So I've split it into 2 and 4. And that shows me that 2 add 4 equals 6. So that's my PartWhole model. Now I'm going to show you a couple of pictures of PartWhole models now, and I want you to have a go at doing this at home. I'd love if you want to send the ones that you create into me and Mrs. Payton and Miss Hoax on the Home Learning at Grove. We'd love to see what you've been up to. You might have even found some different things to use around the house. We'd love to see what you've been doing and how you've been getting on with PartWhole models, using them to take your whole amount and split it into 2 parts, practicing your adding skills. Have a lovely week. We're missing you lots. Bye. Okay, so if you got on really well, this is an extra added challenge. Now, I've done my PartWhole model the other way around now. Can you work out which number should be in my top plate, what my whole number must be if these are my 2 parts? I'm going to put an extra couple of challenge photos up for you to have a go at, just like this, where a different part of the PartWhole model is missing and you have to work out what it is. Good luck.